We guide you through how to send videos in Gmail, including large files, quickly and without hassle. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Gmail and click Compose, then enter your recipient, subject, and message. Next, click the paperclip icon to attach your video file, select your video, and wait for it to upload. If your video is under 25 MB, it will attach directly and you can simply hit send. But if your video is larger than 25 MB, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive and insert a shareable link instead. So once the upload finishes, make sure the permission is set to anyone with the link can view to avoid access issues. Then click insert and send your email as usual. Alternatively, you can manually upload the video to Google Drive first, copy the share link, and paste it into your email for faster sending, especially for very large files.